Hello friends, today I'm in the Jubail Mangrove Park, one of Abu Dhabi's main tourist attractions.
We have registered and we are going to enter.
Now we have entered. You can see how beautiful it looks. Before we enter, there are some people to guide us on this mangrove walk. It is one of a kind, self-contained nature, educational and leisure facility in the capital. This natural mangrove sanctuary is home to a variety of marine life and avian species native to Abu Dhabi. While there are several things to see and feel here, its highlight feature is the boardwalk. We visited in the afternoon, so it was unfortunately low tide. Having said this, we thoroughly enjoyed the boardwalks. The stunning boardwalk takes visitors to the natural landscapes of the mangroves. It looks seriously amazing. You will find interactive boards every now and then with loads of information. We get to see the panoramic view of the park from the viewing tower. So guys, we have reached on the top of a tower and you can see everything, literally everything. And when you turn over there, you can see the entrance. If you like to go for a long walk and feel at peace with nature, this is the right place. You must visit.